everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to share Anbi's review on the website, that is Lintado.com. So if you are curious to know about Lintado store, watch the video till the end because it will be Anbi's review on this website, as people from United States are very curious to know about this store. So let's check out the details regarding this store. Lintado is an online shopping store that deals with multiple products. They have variety of products, and the product they have are in for the interest of kids to adults. So as a customer you will enjoy shopping from this store, but before making any shopping you must check out the legitimacy of any website. So we are going to share the details, as it was created on 28 July 2021. Their products are bathroom essentials, kitchen, pet, sports, decoration to the toy, almost everything available on the store. As far as their email address is concerned, they have mentioned the email address which is matching the domain name, and it is a good sign. But the company has failed in giving the information of their address anywhere on their platform while we are searching for this. Moreover, they have mentioned their contact number and payment methods have been discussed as Visa card, MasterCard and PayPal, but they have not mentioned any policy either for return and exchange and cancellation clearly, and they need 5 to 10 days or maximum 2 weeks for delivery. The advantages of Lintado store are: Lintado has multiple products available on their platform and the products are amazing. The SSL certificate is making the site safe and to browse. The disadvantages of Lintado.com are: the site has been created very recently and it is the biggest cons of Lintado. Lintado has missed the most important details from their site. The site has incomplete information and deceptive vacant policy. The absence of social media is also obvious. So as we are checking either this is legit or a scam, we are going to the details in depth. As we have discussed, it was recently created, even not a week ago. Its trust score is very poor, just 2%. The content of the website is copied. It has plagiarism around 94%. They have mentioned incomplete policies. As we all know, customer reviews are really helpful for us to decide the legitimacy of the website, but unfortunately we could not find any reliable testimonial that can give authentic reviews regarding this company. So we can say that while checking all the details, we are here advising you to stay away from such website, because as we all know, this scamming is increasing day by day online. So you must do your own research before doing any online shopping, and for this portal we are not recommending you to shop from this store. So you must save your money and save yourself from getting scammed. And if any one of you have experience of shopping from Lintado.com, please do share your experience with us. We love to hear from you.